Wait a second. What if I told you that you could get free diamonds in 99 in the forest in less than a minute? Sounds exciting, right? Well, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim those diamonds using simple redeem codes. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're playing 99 in the forest and you want to unlock free rewards, then you're in the perfect place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the process of using redeem codes so you can claim diamonds quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, open the game on your device. Once you're inside, go straight to the currency shop. Here, you'll see a special box where you can enter redeem codes. This is the gateway to your free rewards. Now let's test it with a working code. Enter this code, After Party. And just like that, the code works perfectly. Instantly, the diamonds are added straight to the account. Quick, simple, and effective. But here's something you need to know. Not all codes will work. Some of them are already expired. For example, if you try Forest 99 or Diamond Tree, you won't receive anything because they're no longer active. That's why it's always important to make sure you're using the latest active codes. And here's something extra. If the code doesn't work for you, don't worry. Just drop your in-game username in the comments below this video. I'll personally select a few lucky players and send them free gifts directly to their accounts. But remember, this giveaway will only start once this video reaches 1,000 likes. So don't wait, hit that like button right now, share this video with your friends, and comment your username below for a chance to win. The faster we reach the target, the faster the gifts will be sent out. And that's it for today's guide. Try the codes, enjoy your free diamonds, and good luck to everyone joining the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more codes, tips, and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through